Hello, my dear friends. Today, in this episode of Netherlands Beyond Amsterdam, I'm going to take you guys along on my evening walk in a very small town of Netherlands, which is equally cute and charming. So, I hope you like it. While Amsterdam is famous for its gingerbread houses, the rest of the Netherlands, or at least the small town of the Netherlands, you can see these individual houses which are very beautiful, but at the same time they are very old. Like some of them are easily over 50, 60 or even 100 years old. When I was looking for a house, I was shown houses which were like from 1962, 19... One of my most favorite parts about staying in the Netherlands as a horse lover is the accessibility to horses. Here, whether you're in a city or in a small town, whether you're in a city or a small town, it doesn't matter. Horses are always like, I don't know, 2 or 3 kilometers away from wherever you are staying, because because either they will have clubs here or people actually own horses and they keep them in these steads. I don't know what they call where they keep the horses, and they go and visit them over the weekend. Some of my colleagues actually own horses. So crazy. And also I know some people whose children have horses as pet. How amazing is that? Can you see how bright it is? And it's already 7 in the evening. It will be till bright like this till 9 in the night, because it is almost summertime here. If you see in front of me, this is like an open area. I think most of the Netherlands towns, so it's like an area where only cycles are allowed or walking is allowed. So it is very nice when you do not want to be like looking at the road whether there are cars coming or not. You can simply come in such areas and ride your bike or take a walk like I am doing right now. Kaloon. And you cannot talk about Netherlands without talking about its gorgeous canals. No matter which city you are in, there are definitely these canals, because Netherlands is basically, in the sea or below the sea level. But one good thing I wanted to show you about these canals, when you are on a bridge over a canal, they have these such net things. So it's a good thing, a good way. I don't know whether it is strong enough to hold a person, and don't want to try that also, but it's nice because then it feels more secure to be on the bridge without the fear of actually falling in the canal. And even if you do, it's not a big deal, because like these are not very deep canals. Most of them are not, but I don't want to try it. Thank you so much. Oh my god. We are on a short ice cream break. This is the best part about summers here. The gelatos that you get are so amazing. I'm sure these are not the real gelatos, but still it's nice to have an ice cream and walk. Now let's continue with our walk. I like the walks here in the small towns or in the villages of the Netherlands is because these are all the houses. Just next to the houses are the canals, and you see those green pastures of land. These you would be able to see in a lot of Dutch small towns and villages, is because they have a lot of green land, and it's nice to just walk amongst that green land as compared to the cities where it might be quite busy. Netherlands is one of the cleanest countries in the world, but it is even more cleaner in small town areas, and they take care of it so much. Like for example, if you see, this is not a dustbin, this is basically this is basically like a big bin where they will keep all the debris, because if you can see that this house actually has some construction work going on, so they cannot just spread everything everywhere. They have to make sure that it is properly kept, and that is why whenever such a thing is outside a big house like this, it means that there is construction going on, and that is why that is there. Otherwise it's not allowed to have all sorts of rubbish on the otherwise it's necessary that all the area stays clean. For example, see this whole area where I was walking, and then here, and then now again from here where I'll be all walking. Of this is super clean and it's well maintained, and it's not just the government who enforces this, but also the people who take care of the cleanliness around their surroundings. So really nice to be walking in such clean surroundings. You know, when I moved to the Netherlands, we were a bit worried, like my son would not be able to see cattle or like, you know, gaay bhais, like how we are able to see that in India. But we moved to a place, you see there, I will zoom in a little bit later and show you guys. These are like all the cattles, and it's not necessarily you need to be in a village, even a small town like this. You will be very easily able to find these cattles, horses, goats, sheep, because people here actually own those. And so it goes like they have a house and they have a big land surrounding their house, and then you have all these cattle, of course. But this is so cool because you get to live in a European city, but also, you know, get to see the village life of India. Can you also notice that lot of houses are of the same color here? And the reason for that is there are actually rules on which color you can apply to your houses from outside. So it's not like you can just go ahead and color your house green, yellow, blue, whatever you like. There are actually certain areas where you need to be taking permissions in order to color the house of a different color, because otherwise you will be messing with the aesthetics of the neighborhood, and they don't want that. But I don't know, I like this rule because it keeps the neighborhood looking very nice and pretty. And when you're doing your evening walk, an aesthetic neighborhood really looks nice. Yeah, we are happy because we were able to spot a gang of ducks. You cannot talk about everywhere in the Netherlands, wherever there are canals, there are going to be these huge ducks, or sometimes even swans. Back in The Hague, there were even swans. But the most funniest part is how in India, like if there is traffic, because you know there are cattle on the road like gaay, bhais and all, there is sometimes traffic on the road because these ducks are crossing the road and everybody is giving way for them. It's the cutest thing I see in the whole day. But yeah, funny. Hi. कुठे चालले सगळे? I am so grateful to be able to take such walks every single day after work at 5 o'clock when I shut down and come here. Is just the best thing. And I hope you also felt equally relaxing watching this vlog. Yeah. With this beautiful noise, I know it's a noise, but I think it's cute noise. I take your leave for today. Thank you so much for joining me on my evening walk. So now you can see Netherlands beyond Amsterdam also has a lot of charm and a lot of cuteness. Bye bye.